Rebel Canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. Hey, be sure you're subscribed, because sometimes YouTube does some funny things with that. And be sure to hit the like button on your way out. Thanks. So I'm really excited about this new collab I've joined, and here are the details. Look at this. So I'm happy to be joining the Survival Seeds collaboration of 2024. So I have a ton of tinctures I have been making. Some I've done videos on, some I haven't. This is my echinacea tincture. I've been really into tinctures, so I think I'm a really good fit with this collab, and I'm very excited to get to see all the people that are learning and doing just like I am. It's great to be a part of a community of like-minded people that are doing similar things, and we can all learn from each other. So I think this is pretty amazing. I'm so glad that we are doing this. I think it'll be a lot of fun. And the hard part will be growing the herbs, because sometimes they don't like to grow in my climate, but we'll see. We'll get there together. Thanks, everyone. Glad you are all doing this with us. The herbs in this series are oregano, which I already have a patch established. Feverfew, which is something I did want to grow and haven't started yet, so it'll be exciting to see if I can get this to grow. Lemon balm, which I have growing right by my cabin door. It's a wonderful tea, and I can't wait to make some tinctures with it. And anise hyssop, which I've never had any experience with. So I have anise hyssop seeds and lemon balm seeds to grow. I got those given to me in a giveaway thing last year. And I already have oregano going like crazy in my garden because it's a perennial for me. I probably have some lemon balm too. Anise hyssop I haven't grown before, so that'll be interesting. And then I'm just going to grab some feverfew. I've seen it last year. I should have grabbed it. Didn't thought about it. I've been going crazy making tinctures over this winter. I have the echinacea. I have ghost pipe. So many fun things I've been doing. It'll be great to share it with you in this format. And I just want to thank Vineyard Chicks Homestead, Bushcraft Family, and Lazy Days with Jesse and Lisa for giving us all this opportunity. Check out the hashtag Survival Seeds 2024 for videos in this series, or the playlist posted by Bushcraft Family and the Vineyard Chicks Homestead. And you will see so many wonderful channels doing this collab together. I think you guys are really going to like this series. Have a great day, Rebel Canners. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button.